Hello and welcome to today's quick tip on Card. Today we will be talking about how to use icons in Card without links on them. Before we start, let me show you what I mean by this. If you've come to this video, you may have seen the problem when building your own site. If you haven't, this may still come in handy at some point. So I have opened here a website that we've been building, a template, and you can see an icon element here and the typical setup that you have with the URL pre-populated with this URL. You'll also notice that you cannot just simply delete it. It will always put something back in. How this behaves is, this is the preview for the page, and if we scroll down to the icons here, then you will see when I hover this, it will, in the bottom left corner, show where the link goes, and also people can click it, and then will load something. In some instances, you will probably want icons that link someplace, but then sometimes, like we did here, you will want to use them just for decoration. And here's how you can do this. If you know how, then it's really easy, but it's not a really obvious solution because it doesn't let you leave the URL free. You have to enter something. And the magic thing you have to enter is as follows. You enter browser:"none" in here, and then save this. And also click Save Changes on the site to publish it. And wait for a bit. And then when we view the demo again, let's scroll down to those icons again. And here we are. First one you see when hovering it with the mouse, the cursor does not change into the pointy hand kind of thing. And also you don't see anything in the top, in the bottom left corner. So this is not a link element anymore, which is pretty cool. You only have the icon to use as decoration. And just to recap, let's look at it again. There's the icon selected, and for URL, you just put browser:"none", and that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.